Welcome to Taste the Bickle, everyone!
So in this episode, I will show you how I make my ultimate Jamaican green banana porridge. Stay tuned. So for this recipe, you will need 3 fingers of green banana, some flour, coconut, bay leaf, a can of condensed milk, salt, nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, vanilla, and some almond. These are all the things that will spice up your porridge. If there's other flavors that you particularly like, definitely add them to the porridge, but these will definitely give it a nice spice. So first you want to get your coconut and cut it up in nice cube size. You don't have to do this, but it's optional. You add it to a blender with some warm water and you blend this. This is going to give you a nice cream. You want to strain the mixture after it's blended and set aside either half a cup or 1 cup of the coconut milk. You will add this to the porridge and it will definitely enhance the flavor. If you haven't tried it, give it a try and let me know how yours turned out. Okay? So next, folks, what you want to do is get a blender and put all your other ingredients in the blender. So your banana, the flour, and all the spices. Do not add the bay leaf here or the condensed milk. You're going to leave those for later. But everything else, you want to put it in the blender and really blend it up. You want to end up with a nice smooth mixture that's liquidy. And that will definitely let the porridge have a nice smooth consistency, which is what you're looking for when you're making porridge. As you see, I'm blending, and this is how the mixture look after I blended for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's nice and creamy and ready for the pot. So you want to turn your pot down, put your pot on the stove and turn the stove down to medium to low heat, and you want to add the mixture from the blender into the pot, and this already include the coconut milk. So once it's in the pot, you want to get a whisk and whisk it. You know, the point is to whisk it until the porridge get a nice boil or bubble. By doing this, you avoid having a porridge that is lumpy and sticking to the pot. You definitely don't want that in your porridge. Nobody wants to give nobody no lump. That's not good, right? So this is how the porridge look after about 15 minutes on the fire. If you notice, it's on low heat, and I checked it every 5 minutes and I whisk it to ensure that nothing was sticking. I did cover the porridge throughout the cooking process, and this is also another view of how it is. And like I said, I continue to cover the porridge. I cooked my porridge for about 40 minutes, and this was the end result after I add the condensed milk and sweeten it. You want to sweeten your porridge to taste. If you like it sweet, you add a little bit more, but I personally prefer to just add the condensed milk. I don't want sugar in my porridge. And after it was nice and ready, I served it up with some Jamaican water crackers. This porridge was to die for. You should have been in this house. Man, it was really, really, really good. So until next time, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.